Hello and welcome to my Marine Engineering Technique channel. Today, we are planning to clean ALFA LAVAL automated filter. As first, touch filter symbol on HMI panel and put automatic filter in maintenance mode. Open depressurization box and close after air purging has done for manual filter. Loosen and release the lock screw of changeover shaft. Turn the valve shaft to manual filter. The arrow facing the beam mark why manual filter is using. Lock the screw of valve shaft. Unscrew and remove false screws or electric motor. Remove the electric motor and secure FC place. Slowly open the aeration vent. Place suitable container and drain oil inside the filter body. Close the valve and backflashing line and disconnect. And then require to disconnect drain line if fitted. Unscrew and remove 4 screws with washers for the diversion head. Remove the diversion head. Lift out the filtering unit. Unscrew and remove 4 nuts with washers from diversion cover. Remove the cover. Remove the diversion filter elements and check the numbers of elements. Turn the filter unit upside down. Unscrew and remove 2 screws and remove the strainer. Unscrew and remove 4 nuts and washer from the full flow cover. After then, remove the cover. Remove the full flow filter elements and check the number of elements. If ultrasonics are used, cleaning should not exceed 15 minutes. Okay, let's reassemble. Mount full flow and diversion filter elements to assembly rods and secure by nuts. Lift in the filtering unit. Lift on the diversion head. Insert and tightening the 4 screws with washers for diversion head. Corner the drain pipe. And then corner the backflashing pipe. Insert the electric motor back onto the filter. Ensure that the driving pin is in the correct position. Insert and tighten the 4 screws and washers of the electric motor. Partially close the aeration vent and fully close drain valve. Open depressurization valves and carry off air purging. Fully tighten the aeration vent after purging completed. Put automatic filter and auto mode on HMI panel. Thanks for watching everyone. I appreciate your support. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I can't wait to see you in the next one.